So if you look at this one, I've got a lot of different construction planes. Okay, this one has a wide variety of construction planes. Okay, now partly because I was trying to get some different things on here, and just I was messing around with it. Okay, however, if I wanted to do something towards the bottom of this one, you're going to see like if I did a drawing on this one, we'll do that later. But if I do this here, if I've tried just to draw a drawing right here, you're going to notice that there's some issues. Okay, first of all, if I click on this, and eventually it will click on there, I've got a lot of data there. Okay, because there's a lot of stuff above it. There's construction planes, and I can go through this. Like I can try to remove all these construction planes, and I can do that, but I still see all of this stuff on top of the pin that I don't really want, because I really just kind of want to see in the middle of this. So what I'm going to show you is another way you can actually go through this. So I'm going to hit finish sketch. I don't really need that sketch right there. But you're going to see like what I want is I really want to just operate on this part right here. Okay, so if I click on this, and I've just more or less done a construction plane, and I've gone an offset, not offset plane. Yes, I have done an offset plane. Sorry, it's been one of those days. I've done an offset plane from the bottom, so I just moved that up. But what I can do from this is, if I go to, I believe it's under Create. It's under Create or Modify. There is, might be under Modify. It's under Modify. There's Split Body. So when I click on Split Body, if I click on my whole pin, you'll have this as an option. But then where it says the splitting tool, I can literally just select this plane that I have right here. Okay, now when I do that, I'm going to open this. Notice I have one body. When I click on this splitting tool right here, it will then, you'll see there's a cut across this. So I'll hit OK. And now I will have two bodies where I can operate right there. Okay, so I'll do this. Now, the reason it shows body 3 is because I'd actually done this before where I was just messing around. Okay, now from there, now I can actually remove some of these other things. So I'm just going to kind of have the one construction plane that I want, which hopefully is number 8. Okay, and it is not number 8. Which plane was that I was messing around with? Okay, that was plane 1. Okay, so I've got that one. So now I can actually edit this part right here. Okay, so if I click on this one, now I can do this create on top of this, and you can see now it's much easier. I don't have all that data on top. I can literally just see the selection that I want. Okay, so then if I wanted to draw some sort of circular pattern or something like that, I can literally just add that in the section that I want. Does that part make sense? You see how that could be helpful? Okay, now when I print the whole thing, okay, that split's not going to be there because I haven't really done a cut there. It's just one body. Now, you do need to make sure when you go to print that you have your full body selected, like the whole thing selected. Okay, does that part make sense? Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. So there's your splitting bodies.